In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Select OK. Click on Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu and edit it by clicking on this icon at the top right corner. Now hit Edit Switches. Scroll down to look for Caffeine 1 and drag it to your currently used ones. Then let go, hit Done, click on your new shortcut, and as you can see, mine is blue, which means that infinite sleep time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!